Welcome to my channel. Today we're traveling across Canada to discover the top 10 must-visit destinations. From stunning natural wonders to vibrant cities, Canada has something for everyone. Let's embark on this journey and explore some of the most breathtaking spots in this vast and diverse country. 1. Banff National Park. Banff National Park in Alberta is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Surrounded by the majestic Rocky Mountains, the park features turquoise lakes like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, both perfect for stunning photographs and serene walks. Enjoy hiking trails with breathtaking views, or take a scenic drive along the Icefields Parkway. The charming town of Banff offers cozy lodges and excellent dining, making it a fantastic base for your adventures. 2. Vancouver. Vancouver is a vibrant West Coast city with a stunning natural backdrop. Explore Stanley Park with its scenic seawall and lush gardens. Visit Granville Island for local markets and arts. Or take a walk around the bustling waterfront. For panoramic views, head to the top of Grouse Mountain or visit Capilano Suspension Bridge. Vancouver's diverse neighbourhoods offer a wide range of dining and cultural experiences. 3. Toronto. Toronto, Canada's largest city, is a cultural melting pot with something for everyone. Visit the iconic CN Tower for panoramic city views and dine at the Revolving Restaurant. Explore the Royal Ontario Museum and the Art Gallery of Ontario for a dose of culture. Don't miss the Distillery District, known for its historic charm and artisan shops. For outdoor fun, take a ferry to Toronto Islands and enjoy a day of relaxation. 4. Quebec City. Quebec City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its European charm and historic architecture. Wander through Old Quebec with its cobblestone streets and centuries-old buildings. Visit the majestic Chateau Frontenac and take a stroll along the Dufferin Boardwalk for stunning views of the St. Lawrence River. The city's vibrant art scene and French-inspired cuisine make it a delightful destination. 5. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a world-famous natural wonder that offers awe-inspiring views and thrilling experiences. Take a boat tour to get up close to the roaring falls, or visit the observation decks for a panoramic view. Explore the surrounding area, including Clifton Hills entertainment options and the scenic Niagara Parks. Don't forget to visit nearby Niagara-on-the-Lake for charming boutiques and wineries. 6. Montreal. Montreal is a vibrant city with a mix of European and North American influences. Explore Old Montreal's historic sites and enjoy the lively atmosphere at the Montreal International Jazz Festival. Visit Mount Royal for panoramic city views and take a stroll through the Plateau Mont-Royal neighbourhood for its eclectic shops and cafes. Montreal's culinary scene is also a highlight, with diverse options ranging from street food to fine dining. 7. Jasper National Park. Jasper National Park, located in Alberta's Rocky Mountains, is known for its stunning landscapes and abundant wildlife. Explore the vast wilderness, with highlights including Moraine Lake, known for its crystal-clear waters, and the Columbia Icefield, where you can take a glacier tour. Jasper's Dark Sky Preserve offers incredible stargazing opportunities. The town of Jasper provides a cozy atmosphere with local shops and restaurants. 8. Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island, known for its red sand beaches and rolling farmland, is a charming destination. Visit Green Gables House, the inspiration for the famous novel, and explore the island's picturesque coastal scenery. The island's small towns and villages offer a relaxing escape with opportunities for cycling, seafood dining, and enjoying local festivals. Prince Edward Island's tranquil beauty is perfect for a peaceful retreat. 9. Ottawa. Ottawa, Canada's capital, is home to historic landmarks and vibrant culture. Tour Parliament Hill and witness the changing of the guard ceremony, Visit the National Gallery of Canada and the Canadian Museum of History for cultural insights. Take a stroll along the Rideau Canal, especially beautiful in winter when it becomes a large skating rink. Ottawa's charming neighbourhoods and seasonal festivals add to its appeal. 10. Whistler. Whistler, located in British Columbia, is renowned for its world-class ski slopes and outdoor activities. Whistler Blackcomb, one of the largest ski resorts in North America, offers fantastic skiing and snowboarding. In the summer, the area transforms into a haven for hiking and mountain biking. Explore the vibrant village with its restaurants, shops, and lively events. Whistler's natural beauty and outdoor adventures make it a year-round destination. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Canada's top 10 destinations. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing places. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Share your favorite destination in the comments below, and we'll see you on our next adventure.